Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is obviously take the tires off. We got that done. So now we're going to go ahead and unbolt the sway bar links. There's one side and you want to go ahead and do both sides, so let's go ahead and head. And goes the other side. Next thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove this so we can get to the top of the shock. Now that I got the top of the shock out, the shock bolt and the top of the shock is out, so I'm going to go ahead and take the bottom of the shock out. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the track bar bolt right here. Alright, so now that we got that track bar bolt out, we're going to go ahead and install the track bar bracket, the lowering bracket. Alright, so now that we got that in there, we're going to be putting this bolt that was holding this brake line here. We're going to be going ahead and using that bolt and bolting this back up here. So I forgot I was supposed to put this in between the bolt that goes inside the bracket. Forgot to put that in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there now. Alright, got that in there. You want to make sure you have that in there, because when you go to tighten it up, if that's not in there, the whole thing's gonna squeeze together. Put this nut back on. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the track bar back into the new bracket along with the bolt. Alright. Let's go ahead and put the bolt on the other side. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and tighten up the 3 sets of bolts. Since that bracket extended it down, I can fit in there with the impact now. Oh yeah. let's keep moving. All right, now that we got the bracket in there, that's it right there, the drop bracket. It dropped it from here to there now. So let's go ahead and lower the differential so we can get them coils out. All right, I got the differential dropped down. Let's get the spring out. Here we go. All right, so the black one is the stock coil, and this is the max track coil right here. That's the 4-inch lift coil. All right, let's get that in. All right, let's get the spring in there. All right, so I got the spring in, and I got the shock in. So now I need to go ahead and put this bracket here. Go ahead and bolt that bracket onto there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got the bracket put in, got the bolts put in. So now the only thing I have to do is tighten up the top of the shock bolt and put the tires on. I think that's it. Here's the other side. Got that side in there. The only thing I need to do over there is tighten up this bolt here for the brake line and the shock bolt on this side. And then once I put the tires on, I'm gonna go ahead and double check all the bolts when sitting on the tires. There it is. Alright, so everything's good here and tight. Wanted to say Dodge, for some reason didn't give a full mud guard in here. As you can see, it's only that little piece, and then everything's up open. There's only one little piece there and one little piece there. So I got, and then all this is metal. I don't know why they didn't put a full mud guard in here, but I got a Husky one. Show you what it looks like. I already got the other side put in. Here they are, at least now. The whole inside's covered, so I'm not gonna be constantly getting dirt and mud all up inside. So that's it. All right, now I just need to go put the other side in and put the tires on. All right, I got the end fenders in. Now let's go ahead and get the tires on. Alright guys, so I got the lift done. This is the Mac Track lift kit, both front and back. There goes the front there, and there goes the back. There it goes right there. That's 6 inches in the front and 4 inches in the back. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. More videos to come.